Mac and cheese, pulled pork, and a boring burger. Yeah.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to JDM Nation. We got some parts from Japan. Let's check it out. So everybody, I actually ordered this about a month and a half ago at this point. So it's taken a month and a half for this to get here from Japan. I think it's gonna be well worth the wait. I gotta show you guys. I'm just gonna show you guys. Fragile. It's actually not really that fragile, but anyway. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We have the rest of the exhaust for the R33, which I'm kind of messing around with right now, but we have the rest of the exhaust. So this is a Mines downpipe, and it's not just the regular downpipe, it's actually a Mines equal length downpipe. You can kind of see the weird shape here. And what is the significance of this downpipe? Well, right now, don't get me wrong, the Skyline, you know, the GTR, she sounds good, but she could sound so much better, and she will with that pipe right there. So, like I said, I waited about a month and a half for this. Here, it's gonna sound sick. Unfortunately, we are not installing it in today's video. It'll probably be the next video I do because we have other things to do today. In fact, we need the GTR. So we're gonna be taking the GTR. So we will be installing it, but it's gonna sound so good. I cannot wait for you guys to hear what this thing sounds like. So in addition to that, I also found out that I have a small leak coming from the front differential. I don't think you guys can see it from this angle over here. I will end up showing it to you, but it's not a big leak. It's a couple drops I found when the car was sitting for a good length of time. I moved it and saw a couple drops of oil on the ground. So after further investigation, I did find it is my front diff, the cover. So I did go and get some the gasket maker. We got the lube and the pump to put it in to the diff. Do you guys want me to make a video on that? Let me know in the comment section below if you guys want me to make kind of more maintenance-y videos like that, or if that's just kind of boring and you guys don't want to see that stuff. But let me know in the comment section below. I will be doing that very soon. It's not like I said, it's a pretty slow leak, but I will be doing that fairly soon. So the first thing we're going to be doing today is going over to a 100,000 subscriber celebration for my buddy Joe. Congratulations, Joe. It's a little car show, a little meetup. We're not going to spend too much time there. And then I think we're going to be getting my windows tinted in this video as well.
2 hours later.
What's up, guys? So we're at the Radies Rides 100,000 subscriber celebration. He's a local YouTuber in town. Cool guy. We're not going to be here for very long, but we will check out a few cars. And well, let's just see what's here. We got Jose, Elliot, who's now famous on the channel. Yeah! I'll zoom in. Hey, I'm going to blur out your face in every single video. We're checking out some cars. There's loud music though, so we can't go over in that direction at all. But we do have the R33 sitting right there, looking pretty. Jose picking his nose. All right, we got a lot of Mustangs, a lot of Corvettes. We have famous YouTubers here. What is up? Bonk. Why aren't you filming?
I already made my video today.
True.
Got the quota down.
Quotas?
Quotas. Gotta get
Go
them
check
in.
out this man's channel.
Yeah, link in description, right?
Oh man, shameless plug, link in description. All right. Fine. Not like it's gonna help you. You need to help me. Wait, link in your description.
Both ways. It'll go both ways.
All right, I'll be looking for my link. So we got the Mazda Speed 3 here. For you guys who didn't know, I used to have a car exactly like this, but it was red. It's actually a good car. Actually, I really like this car. It's good. We got another Skyline though. Oh man, he's rocking the carbon fiber hood and everything. Stepping up the game.
Something you didn't do.
I don't have a carbon fiber hood. It's pretty nice. I think I've seen this guy around. If you watch the channel, comment down below. We got GTS 4. Nismo. They do what? That can't say in the channel. All right, so this guy here, he does in fact do that, which I won't say. But he's got an interesting cage. I've never seen something like this before. So
Fiberglass.
yeah,
a little bit of fiberglass here.
Straight up cut it. But yeah, it's an interesting cage. We got the Subi gang.
Yeah, the Subi gang.
All the way down. Oh man, this thing looks pretty serious though. I will admit, this is a nice setup here. This is nice. I wonder how much this makes. I don't know, maybe we'll find the owner and find out, but it looks really clean. Stop spitting out numbers, Jose, you don't know. Oh, that's the guy with the diffuser that'll kill you. Well, everybody, that's gonna be it for this meet. On with the vlog. So it's actually been like 2 days since that first part of the video. It has been raining non-stop here in Florida for the last like 3 days. It's terrible for filming. I haven't filmed anything, but we are gonna go get the windows tinted today. They're hooking me up. Let's roll. So we're back over here at my Soul Control window tinting place here where I got the radio in my previous videos. I don't know if you guys remember that, but we're gonna get the windows tinted. It's gonna look good. I think we're going to go with maybe 20%. I think 20% should look pretty good. Probably just all the way around. So, should look good. So, I think we're gonna go with that one right there. Maybe eventually some clear bra action.
2 hours later.
It just won't stop raining. It's been raining for so long. Stop raining, please. Anyway, we're back at the garage. Unfortunately, like I said, it's raining, so boom. But she looks so much better with the tint. We did 20% all the way around. She looks really good. Car was clean, not anymore. But yeah, she looks a lot better. And I think I'm now gonna be able to trigger the squad and add at least a couple stickers, right guys? I need a couple stickers. I know, you know, everyone's like, no, don't do that, but I'm gonna put a couple on there. So either way, it looks much better. No more fishbowl. So moving forward, that'll be pretty nice, especially in the Florida heat. So guys, that's effectively gonna do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next video for the downpipe install on this car. It's gonna be so good. We also have a couple other cool cars coming up on the channel that you're not gonna wanna miss. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate that. Help me get you 5,000 subscribers. We're trying, I'm chugging, putting out that content for you guys. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at SkylineDude951. That's gonna do it for this video, and we will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.